Hi, my name is James Gloss and I work at the Linden Agri-Centre. We sell New Holland equipment, so large combines, large tractors, high horsepower tractors. We deal with these large tires all the time. The new combines come without tires. The large tractors come without their duals, so we're using constantly putting tires on and off units. Now, before we got the tire grabber, we generally used a forklift. And as you can see, these tires are so large that balancing them on two forks is kind of, I would say, very dangerous. We've had a few of them slip and tip over. Fortunately, nobody was hurt, but the possibility of getting hurt are very high. Once we got the tire grabber, it was just, they brought it to us to let us try it. And once we tried it, we knew right away that this was a really good product. It holds the tire very secure. You can pick the tires off the ground or you can pick them up standing. So when they come on the truck, they're on a pallet, so you can actually, with a skid steer, you can actually just pick up the tire, tip it up, and put it right onto the unit. Very safe because the tire grabber grabs it very securely. And it's easy to move around, and it's just much safer and quicker. Saves hours of time. Just a wonderful product. Well, the speed at which we can get tires put onto a unit unloaded off a truck, our PDI times have dropped significantly compared to what they were just using a forklift and 2 or 3 people trying to manhandle these tires. Well, the tire grabber is such a usable product. A lot of times we get tools and you look at them and you think they'll work, but the tire grabber actually works, and it's so simple and easy to operate. That's the great thing about it, and the time saving is just incredible.